Microsoft Authenticator has changed, and in this video we'll see how to use it with your Microsoft account as well as with other websites. So let's jump in. When you open it for the first time, it asks a couple of questions. Then on this interface you can sign in with your Microsoft account, sign in with your school or work account, or use the app for third-party websites as an authenticator. Other options are cloud recovery and skipping this interface. I'll skip it for now. This is the main interface. You can add a Microsoft account here as well. Click this button to see the same options. Pick personal account and then sign in with Microsoft. We need to put in our Microsoft email here. On the next screen there will be a few methods to log into your account. You can send a code to your recovery email or phone number, or you can insert your password here. I will get a code on my recovery email. Then click sign in. Now what happened here? With this you automatically enable the phone sign in for your Microsoft account. If you go into your Microsoft account and click security, and on this screen click manage how I sign in, you will find send sign in notification. It means that Microsoft will send a notification to your phone when you try to log in to a new browser. Let's see an example. I'm logging into my account in private mode. Microsoft has given me this sign in with a mobile app option. Clicking it will show me a number and it will send a notification to this app. I need to click this notification or open the app. Here we must pick the number that was seen on the screen. Then use your biometrics to verify. We have successfully signed in to our Microsoft account. You can always go to this account and adjust its settings. We can change the account password, update how we sign in, and get a one-time code. This backup code keeps refreshing and it will work when other methods are unavailable. Alright, so this was with a Microsoft account. We can use this app as an authenticator for any website that supports two-factor authentication. The process is almost the same for every website. I will use Discord for this video. First, we need to log in and go to the account settings. You will need to find the place where two-factor authentication settings are located. For some websites they are in the account settings, and for some they'll be in the security settings. For Discord they are in the account settings. From here click the enable button. You will see a QR code on the next page along with a manual key. In Microsoft Authenticator, click this third option or the scan button on the main interface. It will open up the camera. We need to scan this code with the camera. If you can't scan this code, you may click this blue button to add the account manually. For this you will need to copy this manual key and paste it into this option. Also give it an account name from the top. Then click finish to complete the process. However, we'll scan the code in this video. When you do, the website will be automatically added. The process is not done yet. We'll click this account to view the 6-digit code and enter this code in the next step. Without it, it's incomplete. So put in the code and click activate. On the next screen, most websites let you save a backup method in case you can't access this code. Some offer SMS backup and some let you download the backup codes. I'll do that. Now the process is complete. Now when I log into Discord from a new location, it will ask me for the two-factor code. Let's see how it works. We may click here to insert a backup code. From your phone, insert whatever code is displayed. If the code matches, you will be able to log in. All done. We can remove the two-factor authentication from the settings at any time. This won't delete the account from the Authenticator app, so you will need to delete that as well. An old option in MS Authenticator is cloud backup. This way all your accounts are saved to your Microsoft account. We can then recover them when we open the app on your new phone. Click this backup option or in the settings, enable cloud backup. the codes will be backed up to your Microsoft account. It automatically updates as you add more, but you can always click here to replace the old backup with a new one. Finally, verified IDs is a feature that lets you verify your ID on some websites. It's a universal way to verify your ID without entering your details. At the moment, I don't have an example to show you, unfortunately. Some other settings are here, such as the battery optimization. This helps if you are not getting the sign-in notifications. Anyway, with that covered, it's time to end the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Take care.